Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do.
Hello guys, welcome to the Ramsey's family vlog. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching my British girls, hello, how to make their motherland soup. Hi, are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Yes. But before then, we felt like having a proper barbecue. Yeah, so we just decided to do this last minute. So
We've got chicken wings, we've got
beef and lamb
sticks, and we got pigs in a blanket and tempura and prawns and yes,
etc, etc. So it's all about the holiday, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we're about to, our fun started on Sunday or Saturday. So yes, relax, get yourself a bottle of wine and enjoy with us, okay? See you.
Bye.
You gotta leave now, it's time to catch the wind. You will climb up high and look through the clouds. And when you're feeling low, I know you'll bounce back. Oh, and just remember, I will.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm gonna eat one.
Show them.
Here it is.
So yeah guys, we've got all the things we're gonna be using for the soup, oha soup and pepper soup as well, because that's Magdalene's favorite. And it girls, and the girls love swallow.
No. Wait, are we making okra soup?
No.
Can I
I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make oha soup. Oha soup is more like mommy's traditional soup. Okay, Alexandra, are you ready? You ready? Okie dokie. Do you like the pigs in the blanket?
Yeah, Madeline, try.
Do you like the beef barbecue?
Yeah, it's yummy.
It's yummy. Okay, let's go.
Yum.
Okay guys, now let me show you guys the ingredients that we have. We have stockfish, okay, and we have palm oil. Bringing them closer, Magdalene.
Got shrimp.
We've got
Shrimp
dried prawn and mangala fish. Okay.
Bitter leaf.
No, we have uziza leaf.
And this is bitter leaf.
No, that is scent leaf and otazi for pepper soup. And this is periwinkle. Can you bring it up, Alexander?
Everybody knows what onions is.
Can you bring the periwinkle?
It's kind of seafood kind of looking.
All right, it is a seafood. So, yeah, that is periwinkle. This is stockfish.
And this is a plain bowl.
This is palm oil.
This is dry prawns, the same. It's my favorite. Oh, and
Okay.
this.
And we have ede.
Yeah. And what is this?
What?
This.
I'll show them in a minute. So the first thing we're going to be doing is, Magdalene and Alexandra, come over here please.
We're going to be cooking.
Yay. So mommy's gonna be sitting down and, and I'm gonna enjoy this.
Oh my god.
What?
I don't know what to do.
What?
I don't know what to do.
You don't know what to do? So the first thing we're going to be doing is to boil the meat. This is goat and beef. And then we have one more and tripe down there, okay? So yeah, we're gonna put onions on the other one.
Which one?
Put onions.
Okay.
Little bit of onions
Oh,
in that one, because we still need it for the peppers. Not all of it, just a little more, half of it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, and we're gonna turn the light on.
Which one? No, it's this one.
There we go.
Should we turn this one on?
And then for this one, we're just going to pre-boil it, put salt. Okay.
Salt?
No. salt is there. Don't worry. There we go.
You said you would sit back and relax.
Yeah.
Are you sitting?
Open this, please.
Sit back and relax.
No, be careful, be careful.
Bradley's literally doing everything.
Okay. So, little bit of salt. Yeah, that's it. Yes, a little tiny bit of ginger, which is this one. Wait a minute, is that, yeah, that's ginger. Yeah, yeah, that's it. That's it. Okay.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna cover it and let it simmer, and then we'll add Maggi. Chijinda will add Maggi.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't
Let's
know.
leave it open. Yeah. Yes, this is Scotch bonnet.
So what do I do next?
We're going to be doing oha. Okay.
We're going to be using periwinkle for that.
Yeah. So they are doing oha. Okay.
So this is how you do it. You take the top off so it isn't that bit. Oh, bitter. Then you take the bottom kind of bit off. Then you rip it into threes. Yeah. Oh, look, there's that thing. There's it does.
It's okay. Today's your first.
Okay, so then you rip it into threes.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm taking all that off. Oh! Getting a bit bubbly, okay? So anyway, we're carrying on because the stem makes it a bit bitter. So just imagine if you ate a bitter with
you don't know what you're talking about.
Some leaf.
You don't know.
Some leaf.
You don't know what you're talking about.
Just imagine if you could eat a leaf, but you ate some of the stem, it would be bitter. Well, so the periwinkle belongs to the oha soup.
The periwinkle belongs to oha soup. Hey, okay. All right, Alexandra, you Mrs. I know too much. The first thing I like to do is to rinse this. Take this water off. Guys, are you listening?
Yeah.
The first thing mommy do is to take the water out and refill it again.
I know. I've watched you. My mum is from the Mum, what part of Nigeria are you from? The west. I mean the east. The east. Sorry, the east. My mum's from the east side of Nigeria.
Yes. Where am I from? Igbo land. I am from Igbo land.
Sometimes we call it Bubu land.
Bubu land. Come on, girls. We need to put Maggi.
Okay.
You come and put Maggi for me. 2 cubes of Maggi.
Let me.
One person, one person, each Maggi. Each person, one Maggi.
How much more?
Magdalene, you do 1 Maggi. Alexandra, you do 1 Maggi, okay?
Where do I put all of it? Where do I put it? You crumple it in
Open it, yeah. Just give it to mommy.
Oh.
Go on. Yeah, what are you doing?
I'm crunching it.
Crunching what?
Crunching the Maggi.
Maggi. Alexandra, what are you doing?
Crunching.
Okie dokies.
Okay. Because I don't want
Don't waste my oha, you know.
them. So they don't get.
So when you get the oha, you take the stem out, okay? And then break it. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add the pomo. okay, inside the beef, like this, okay, and we're gonna put them together. And let it cook, isn't it, Gigi?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what are we gonna be doing next, Alex?
We're going. Well,
What are we
I
doing?
am going to be doing the cocoa. Yeah.
I'm going to be washing ede, yeah, and boil it.
Is it
because
this one?
without ede, you can't cook. You can't cook a hash soup. Show them what ede is. No, this is ede.
Okay, guys. All we need is 3 ede.
Ede. Without this, you can't cook oha soup. This will thicken the oha soup and make it so yummy. This is sort of a thickener. You can't cook oha without ede, but you still can cook oha with achi, but this is the main deal. Okay, Alex, let's go and wash it up. Okay.
Oh, by the way, guys, you have to put water in the pot.
Whilst you're cooking the ede, innit?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mama, wash the oha.
Oh, by the way, the oha from earlier is gonna be washed right now. Hey guys, this is oporoko,
Oporoko.
and this
What is it called?
oporoko.
What's the English name?
It's stockfish.
Yeah. Okay.
Most people call it stockfish.
Okay.
And we're gonna be adding it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Be careful. There
Oh.
we go. Be careful. Yeah. It's already washed. Just leave it in there to cook. I soaked the oporoko a day before in the hot water and changed it and washed it again, so it's soft. Right, that oporoko in oha soup, my goodness, there's not really oha soup, if that makes sense. Now Magdalene is pounding the ede. Okay, this will help thicken the soup. And Alexandra just added the dry fish. Okay, let me take the camera
Mom,
out
should
from
I add the
tripod
prawn?
and show you guys. Yes, please. No, not
This?
yet. Not yet.
Periwinkle?
Not yet. And we're gonna add crayfish.
Easiest thing in there.
Crayfish, and we're just gonna roughly. Oh, this is blended crayfish, and she likes crayfish, guys. And okay, okay, guys, we're going to be adding the ede now. And we're going to be adding the oil, the palm oil.
But anyway, you're supposed to just have one. Add more than that. I took a big one like this. No, you can't have more. We loved doing this. And that's the yam, which we're going to use to thicken it up. And we are starting to use it. Oh, and that like kind of pepper, that pepper what we was using is also with the thing. The ede to make
Ede.
ede.
Not, you know, like fadede.
Ede to make it ede to make it nice and smooth.
Okay, guys, this is the oha soup. Let's go ahead and add periwinkle. Magdalene, can you add periwinkle, please?
Do I just stir it in there?
Yeah, please. All of it. Let's not waste it. Oha on the go.
We're eating our break.
And then for Magdalene's pepper soup, this is Magdalene's favorite. We've got onions and pepper, and we're going to be adding the seasonings for the pepper soup.
So I'm going to be putting the oha in the soup. So I've just added the oha.
Will mommy help?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Mommy come up. Mommy come and take over, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Girls, how did you find cooking with mommy?
I found it fun.
What about the oha soup?
Oh, the least bit was fun. It was mashing it up. To mash things up.
Mashing things up.
Yeah.
What would you encourage kids of your age to do?
To go for it. To try and cook a bit more.
With your parents?
And try not to sit around and watch your parents cook your food. And
That's
try
right.
not to basically hurt yourself and go in hospital by the fire.
Guys, try as much as you can to involve your kids in your cooking. I know it can be messy. Trust me, I hate mess.
Excuse me, you don't hate mess.
Yeah, but they do help a lot in tidying up. Yeah, please try and get your kids involved in cooking. And yeah, should we show them the oha soup, the finished result?
Yeah.
Should we? Okay guys, let's take you along to the oha soup. Oha soup. And this is the pepper soup. Okay, this is Magdalene's favorite. It's because of Magdalene I made it. Alexandra don't really like pepper soup. She likes her soup. Okay.
I love my okra.
Yeah, she loves her okra soup. But today is all about listening and
Climbing up trees.
learning how to make your mommy's favorite soup, innit?
Like you was climbing trees to get mangoes.
Yes. Yes. Whatever.
By the way, guys, we're eating our soup, so don't be jealous, okay? I'm eating my soup right here.